I'm Dr. Christopher Jones. I'm in the Department of Psychology. I'm a lecturer there in social and environmental psychology, and I'm also a member of the Environment and Behaviour Research Group. We're sitting at the interface really of the university's broader research on issues of environment. And so whilst we're based in psychology and we principally come from a psychology standpoint, we do aim to use innovations within the engineering and the physical sciences along with some of the advances in the social and clinical disciplines in order to enhance understanding really of sort of the social factors associated with environmental change. So how do people respond to the environment? People find their environment very important for a variety of different reasons. People become attached to their local vicinity. They actually form part of their identity based upon the areas in which they live and the places that they visit. And so actually having green open spaces or actually having nice places to visit is clearly very important for people's sense of identity and well-being. In terms of the factors which actually will influence people's responses to environment, again, it's simple things like the length of time that people have lived in the area, whether or not they've grown up and lived there all their lives, whether or not they've moved into the area. People actually as well are influenced by what their children think about environment as well and the spaces that they can visit. The sort of techniques that we use within psychology vary quite a lot. Clearly there's a lot of work that can be done with survey research. Although with some of the unfamiliar technologies, surveys are perhaps not the way to go because people may not know how to respond within a setting like that. So increasingly we're making use, certainly within my own research, we're making use of focus groups where you can actually discuss in depth some of the issues that are being faced with regards to the implementation of these technologies in local communities in order to gauge a fuller, get a deeper understanding, I suppose, a fuller understanding and appreciation of the major issues. I think increasingly psychology is being recognised as a major component of the broader research that we're doing here in energy and environment. And so we are working with people in disciplines such as architecture, management, also some of the engineering disciplines in order to give a more holistic understanding. One of the main beliefs I think within industry is that the principal reason why people oppose things is simple NIMBYism, not in my backyardism. The picture is a bit more complex than that, and people will oppose local facilities for a number of different reasons. And what we're increasingly finding is that more involvement, more engagement with communities is fundamental really to the success of some of these interventions.